Search operation to find 3 missing bodies of April 28 Chadong boat capsized incident by Indian Navy expert team still underway. Interlocutor A.B. Mathur affirms beginning of Indo-Kuki political talks in near future, urges community leaders and elders to maintain positive atmosphere. And workers of Manipur join the world in observing International Workers' Day. Observance stresses on the need for welfare policy for working class. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories and latest news. Search operations are underway by Indian Navy expert team to find the 3 missing bodies of April 28 Chadong boat capsized incident. 14 divers of the Indian Navy arrived to Imphal International Airport late last night with underwater navigation equipments including sonar detector and camera fitted and remote controlled mini submarine to search for the missing bodies in the 200 feet deep water of Maphau Dam. Sources said the expert divers started the search operation since early this morning, however, faced some inconveniences due to the drizzles in the morning. Personnel of State Police, Manipur Fire Service, National Disaster Response Force NDRF and State Disaster Response Force SDRF are cooperating the Indian Navy team in their relentless efforts to find the missing bodies. The 3 missing persons are 35-year-old Sangakpam Rajiv and 29-year-old younger brother Roman, sons of Ibochoba, and 19-year-old Ningthaujam Rani, daughter of late Nanao, all from Ningthokongkha Kunau of Bishnupur district. Bodies remain untraceable till the time of filing this report. Interlocutor of Indo-Kuki political talks, A.B. Mathur asserted that the next round of Indo-Kuki political talks will be held in near future. The interlocutor arrived in Imphal this morning and met with Kuki chiefs, leaders of Kuki INPI, Students Union, Kuki CSOs, Youth Wing, Women Wing, KYU, KWO of Kangpokpi Town Committee and locals at the whole of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council in Kangpokpi district. He assured that the central and the state governments are striving to resolve various issues facing the state. He maintained that leaders of CSOs and village chiefs have great responsibility in bringing a final conclusion to all the issues. A.B. Mathur appealed to always maintain a positive atmosphere for bringing a healthy resolution. Later, the interlocutor visited the designated camps of proscribed KNF or UPF and interacted with its leaders.
We need a conducive atmosphere here for holding the talks, and then the talks themselves are continuing. The third part will come later. Now, as civil society and the elders of civil society and as chiefs of your villages, you have a very important role to play. And I will urge you and I will appeal you that please see that these atmospherics remained positive. Unfortunately, in the past 4 or 5 months, these atmospherics were vitiated, which affected the talks. Now, as civil society leaders, your elders, please see, this is your duty as much as duty of Government of Manipur or Government of India or anybody else, that as elders of your society, please see that these atmospherics remain positive.
Manipur joined the world in observing May Day. All Manipur Manpower Upliftment Center, AMOK, observed the day on the theme, Sinmi Akhoi Pullasi at Kangla Hall in Kangla today. Members of various civil society organizations and workers attended the event. Selected farmers, disabled workers and media persons were felicitated in the name of late AMOK founder, President H. Sanat Jauba in the event. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narengbam Samarjit, stated that trade unions came into existence to fight against oppression of working class by those in power. He stressed the need to urge the government to form an exclusive policy for the welfare of farmers and laborers.
Law December, law December matunda law semadi kari semak betul tay policy sember. Segi policy sember matunda policy sember ketika dorokani madu amu protect dorokani. Makoi ngakpi sendi ba ama masih lagi kita boleh. Karena itu makoi ngakpi sendi kita boleh. Sini sih kita mesti karam ba welfare karam ba kado sing ngasigi law da lagi portu implement to mana bagi kita policy oina kaya ke lagi bagi angtu mara ke yang kena karam matam da thibu kang dene adu ni bai luri bisa.
Medical Department Employees Association also observed May Day at the conference hall of Manipur State Pharmacy Council. Attendees condemned the government for not implementing the 7th Central Pay Commission for government employees in the state and resolved to pressurize the government for the same. Thoubal Municipal Council also observed International Workers' Day at the council's office today. Skilled and unskilled workers of Thoubal Municipal Council were felicitated on the occasion. Staffs and workers who contributed in attaining Cleanest City Award in Northeast by the council were also felicitated in the event. Joint Administrative Council of Amtuk and Amgeo Manipur also observed May Day at the council's office in Babupara. Floral tributes were paid to the portraits of late members of the association on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, faculty member of the Economic Department, Manipur University, Dr. Chinglin Maishnam urged everyone to respect workers in various sectors. He also called upon workers to unitedly contribute in solving various issues facing the state.
Full key issue among the lower maybe the mission issue. Aduga, Canada issue, endless organ issue, among the Talaga, mother of the situation. Aduna, the Queen say, meeting Mayamata, uniform Yamta, Manipur, or Nighton, Massing Kanga Tore, Adabu, Punaxi Lower Kanda, Kanga Taudusi Harga, 100 say, Massikari with my own say, some Nakoi directions, people about Adum Makali, Yosi Manipura, Massi Mangre, Massi, election Matamda, Lapa Matamda, political parties in Jena, when sit the media, media tiger. The election see head lawyer have hydrochroma, Matu Dedi, Makuji, issue the issue over her name. Sahimas over her name. I don't know election button don't talk about it. And because Sahimas don't get over name. Issues in issue the lower Matunda, issue Pumasera, Masim civil society organizing the more question revenue.
Moirang Kendra Progressive Front, Bishnupur District also observed May Day at Panthoibi Handloom and Handicraft Society. Social worker Thongam Santi presented looms to weavers of the front on the occasion. Indo-Myanmar Labour Union also observed International Labour Day at Gamnom Lenthol Ground today. Commandant of 43 Assam Rifles, Colonel Sumit Sood, 43 Assam Rifles Town Commander Major R.K. Sharma, General Secretary of Tamil Sangam More Bala and Advisor of Indo-Myanmar Labour Union Seiboy Haukib were present in the event. Many labourers holding IMLU cards under Indo-Myanmar Labour Union in More attended the event. Speaking in the event, Colonel Sumit Sood lauded the labourers for their contribution in making More a trade centre. He also urged them not to deal with illegal items. CJ Foundation and Smile Train India jointly organized a rally as a part of Smile Torch event to spread awareness on cleft lip and cleft palate today. The rally was flagged off from Kangla Western Gate till Thangmaiban Thau Ground. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman cum Managing Director of CJ Hospital and Research Institute, Dr. Palin Kudongbam urged people for timely treatment of children born with cleft lip and cleft palate to enable them to lead a normal life.
we would like to request the representatives of the society, the social activists, the political the leaders, all the teachers and church leaders to spread the message that such facilities are available, and after this operation they can become normal like you and me, and there are so many other citizens after cleft surgery, they have become doctors, engineers and good citizens and scientists. So there is no other problems except the physical defect on the lip and palate. When it is done timely, they can become normal.
All Manipur Government Dental Surgeon Association AMSDA observed its second Foundation Day at the Medical Directorate in Lamphilpa today. Speaking on the occasion, AMSDA Secretary Dr. L. Robinson told Impact News that 98 dental surgeons out of the 106 posts for dental surgeons in the state health services are posted across the state. He said that monitoring of these dental surgeons by one joint director holding the administrative post of Directorate of Health Services Manipur is not feasible. Dr. Robinson appealed to the government for a cadre review expansion to increase the number of administration posts.
Restart of dental surgeon Manipur si hoji khoi chatuka khoi ge yankhai ga tare mung lai re sida khoi employed in lai si khoi Manipur services the rims Jennings punjal laga khoi cham yankhai mukte hen laite adle mo riba nearly khoi ge kano khoi ge chamri ga marfu maya chi khoi ge kano tawi unemployed in lai bani aduga chai khuding gi khoi dental surgeon myam che pass tawraga tholak pani na unemployed ki problem se Manipur yam wang ba aduna khoi ge Manipur da khoi ge cadre review expansion je tawiraga posting je anova creation khara tawidraga di khoi ge dental surgeon jing je khoi employed with first aid or aduga akogi S bar chelakpa mayam am laiba maramna akogi mari lainaba akogi government su akogi dental surgeon ki keno singje akogi problem mayam je khara yengjanbina ba akogi ningsingjari.
Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at Tangal Bazar areas today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations, Imphal West Police, Aribam Ghanashyam, carried out the search drive at Major Khul, Kalibari, MG Avenue and Hotel Nongin from 4:50 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Altogether, 220 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 7 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on laking staff and infrastructure of Kumbi Sandong Upper Primary School in Bishnupur District. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Kumbi Sandong Upper Primary School lacks adequate infrastructure. Principal in charge of the school, Khangembam Indra Kumar, urged the relevant authority to provide adequate infrastructure and staff for the school, catering to a good number of students. Speaking to Impact News, correspondent Naresh, National Teacher 2017 awardee, Khangembam Indra Kumar stated that the school, catering to around 350 students, was upgraded to upper primary in 2018. The principal in charge said due to lack of adequate teaching staff in the school, he had to hire 3 private teachers to teach the students. He also mentioned that he has to spend his own money to arrange midday meals for students as the relevant authority failed to sanction funds for the same.
Class Tauri, other Masi, Adukimatic, Kodong Chadre, Angang Singda, Madi Ozasinda, other class over the Ufun Marakta, Tabusimasi Kitang, Atumatamda, Sarkarna, me and Kitang Sanganingi, infrastructure, Awatpa, Kogi, Ladyba, Mayam Singasi, Game School Lamada, Upper Primary School Mada, Lebum Topa, Ozasi Masing se, Suna Tambiduna, Atumatum Tabiratuna, me and Sangvio, I don't. Other Hoisu, Hojo, Oza, Ani, whom and Gestory, Adri, Wadel, Anima lady, Sumaitoduna. Haribe school se angang singse isingsen harga de laida zaraba khungangi parja singi angang singse akoi aza mayam sina local teacher singsina kanno honadana akoi makoi se adum mamano miruk timang ngamne bi thak amada yam kanna akoi sumai honadun lai.
JC against the brutal killing of Thiam Samo has warned of intense agitation starting from May 4th if relevant authority fail to book the culprits involved in murder of Thiam Samo from Kaino Thongthak Awang Laikai in Bishnupur District. Speaking to media at Kainau Thongthak Youth Welfare Association Club today, JAC convener Angom Tony urged the relevant authority to award befitted punishment to the culprits.
Shamo masana thoba gari nate dinesi gari manungdani hana drug use tawgibagi history amata like de chingna hanna ba adu mana na ba sema sajalamba nungdangi pung tora makai ba phone phaunarami dine hariba dinesina dum parai phone se akhoi shamo hariba angang sida imung manungdagi phone taw matamda shamo masana subai parakte aduga phone switch off suddenly tawgiba paw amata dines ki site gi piraktaba misi je hobudagi loiba chinga ningai mayam mayam leire me gi tang mari bhawi manungda langla langjin puthokpidana akhoi mehar asida chenari miyosing phagatpidana langla langjin puthokpidaba taragadi tang mari dagi de akhoi club mera pai organization akhoi kanu gram panchayat leiba mayam like mandate club singa loinana akat ma khongjin chemjin na ba akhoi sem sajare
ai su yam pende yam chingne tubu mihala se athupu matamda puthok haninge pi bai chasigi manu yumung honaramani kan yumung sita pibani shuba sunate kanana honagani ai kangde.
Titular King Seleksemba Sanajauba felicitated Yumnam Piba by presenting him with Kamenchat Papi Manafi for his contributions in uplifting Meitei culture in Bangladesh. 84 years old, Yumnam Piba started his journey from Bhanubil village, Maulubi Bazar in Bangladesh to Imphal on March 27th. He expressed immense pleasure on meeting the titular king upon his arrival yesterday. Yumnam Piba invited titular King Sanajauba for the 3-day Malem Ima Sidabi Panthoipa Ira Thauram to be held at Bhanubil village of Bangladesh on the 7th day of Mera as per Manipuri lunar calendar. Desam kicked off the 12th Manipur University Special Entrance Test Coaching 2019 at GP Women's College today. And before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Search operation to find 3 missing bodies of April 28 Chadong boat capsize incident by Indian Navy expert team still underway. Interlocutor A.B. Mathur affirms beginning of Indo-Kuki political talks in near future, urges community leaders and elders to maintain positive atmosphere. And workers of Manipur joined the world in observing International Workers' Day. Observance stresses on the need for welfare policy for working class.